A very warm welcome, children, for our new academic online classes. Subject Science Standard 7, Chapter number 1, The Living World Adaptation and Classification, Part 2. In our previous video, Part 1, we have studied about adaptation in aquatic plant, adaptation in desert plant, adaptation in plants of snowy region, adaptation in plants of forest region, adaptation in plants of grassland, and adaptation for injection of food in plants. In this video, we are going to study about animal adaptation in detail. The topic are adaptation in aquatic animal, adaptation in forest and grassland animal, adaptation in desert animals, adaptation in snowy region animal, adaptation in aerial animals, adaptation in reptiles, adaptation for food in animals, and classification of animals. So moving further, we will start with our first topic, that is adaptation in aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. Example, fish, octopus, turtle, etc. The aquatic animal shows modified structure of body. Aquatic animals have lot of adaptation from moving in the water. Fishes show modified structure of the body. Tapering spindle shaped body with scales and fins for swimming. Respiration by gills. Air bladders within the body for floating. They are using the air bladders for floating. Fishes have transparent eyelid. They are having a transparent eyelid. Now the next one is adaptation in amphibians. Frog is an amphibian. It inhabited both land and water. Being a true amphibian, it can breathe in water with the help of skin, and when on land, it breathes with nose and lungs. Duck is a bird. It cannot take oxygen dissolved in water. It breathes only with the help of lungs. Duck is not an amphibian but is an amphibious. Tortoise is a reptile that cannot breathe in water, but it puts its nose out of water to get some air. Though it stay in water, it cannot breathe in water. Hence, it is not an amphibian, but it is a amphibious animal. There are webbed toes in frog and duck oar-like leg. Both of these help in swimming. Waxy coating on the feather help in quick draining of water in water birds like duck and waterhen. Adaptation in frog. They have webbed toes, powerful hind leg, slippery and smooth skin, triangular head, double mode of breathing, and hiding color of the back that help it to hide in a grass. Adaptation in forest and grassland. There are two types of animal that are herbivorous and carnivorous animal. Herbivorous meaning plant eater is an organism that derives its energy and nutrient requirement from a diet consisting mainly of plant tissue. Carnivorous meaning a flesh eater is an organism that derives its energy and nutrition requirement from a diet consisting mainly of animal tissue. Carnivorous animals like wild dog, fox, tiger, and lion have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. Tiger have padded paws. This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes of the predator of carnivores are located in the front of the head. It helps them to spot their prey for a long distance. The eyelid of herbivores are below the forehead on either side of the head. This gives them wide angle vision which help them to protect them from predators. Their legs are long and tapering with the strong hooves, which enables them to run fast, taking a long leaps. Their long and freely moving ears can receive sounds from a long distance and different direction. Deer and black bucks have colors that merge with their surrounding. Their teeth are strong for chewing tough plant material. Adaptation in desert animal. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence, desert animals have thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in desert live in deep burrows during daytime and are active at night. Generally, this animal remain inactive during the hot daylight hours. They hunt at night when the temperatures are cool and when when there is less risk of losing a precious body water. Adaptation in animals for snowy region. White and silver body colors help them to blend with the surrounding background. Thick skin and thick hair on the skin protect them from severe cold. Examples are yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, Siberian husky dog, and snow leopard. The white fur gets camouflaged against the white background of the snow, protecting it from the predators and helps them to catch their prey. Too thick layer of fur against as an insulator, protecting them from the surrounding harsh climate. In order to getting overheated, they move slowly and rest often. Adaptation in aerial animals. Spindle-shaped body minimize the resistance of air while flying. Feathers covering the body. Four legs modified into wings. Air sacs in the body to increase the bounciness. Hollow bones making body light in weight and adapted for flying. Adaptation in insect. Lightweight and tapering body. Two pairs of wings for flight. 6 stick-like walking legs. Adaptation in bat. Bat are a light in weight, thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs that enable them to fly effectively. Adaptation in reptiles. Snake creeps with the help of scales on their skin. Some reptiles use their muscles for creeping. Example, house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile. Skin and soles of feet are specially modified for creeping mode. Example, house lizard and monitor lizard. Body color show camouflage to hide with the surroundings. Reptiles lives mainly on land, have scaly skin, reproduce by laying eggs. Are reptiles are cold-blooded animal. Cold-blooded animal. Example, lizard, snake and crocodile. Adaptation for food in animals. Animals are classified as herbivorous and carnivorous, and few are omnivorous. Carnivorous, snake, tiger. Herbivorous, giraffe, zebra. Omnivorous is bear and hen. According to their feeding, there are some special adaptation. Adaptation for blending with the surrounding. Blending the color with those of their surrounding is also an adaptation. Example, lizard, grasshopper show complete blending with the surrounding and thus cannot be easily spotted. These animals get easily camouflaged with the grasses, parts of plants like stem, leaves, flowers, etc. which means they are able to blend in with the color, pattern or texture of their surrounding. Thus, they are not detected by their predator. Survival of the fittest. Charles Darwin, a biologist, studied numerous types of plants and animals and suggested that only those organisms are likely to survive which best adapt themselves to their surroundings. This is called the theory of survival of fittest. This is a Darwin first principle. Natural selection. If an organism is born with a new beneficial characteristic and is able to survive, this changes is preserved in our next generation. This is Darwin's second principle and is called the theory of natural selection. So there were two theories of Charles Darwin. The first one was survival for the fittest and the second principle was the theory of natural selection. Carl's Linnaeus binomial nomenclature. As per guidelines of the International Codes of Nomenclature. World Frog Protection Day is on 29th April. 29th April is observed as World Frog Protection Day. Killing or harming frog is prohibited by Wildlife Protection Act. Points to remember. Animals in the hot region have thick spats of fat under their feet, take a lot of water in one go and can stay alive without drinking for many days. Animals in cold regions have thick layer of fat and a thick fur. Aquatic animals have fins or limbs for swimming and gills for breathing. Amphibians have webbed feet to swim and have a moist skin and lungs for breathing. To suit different eating habit, animals show different adaptation. So in this chapter, we had studied about characteristic, plants and animals, adaptation and classification of animals. Thank you.